Hello guys, or Sawadee Cup, who watch my video first time. Sometime I need tell about this because my YouTube channel, new channel. Sawadee Cup, it's Thai, it's translated, it's mean hello guys, right?
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, and guys, today we arrived very beautiful place. I never been here, but I just know because people too much talk about this place, and before come here today I watched too much video about this place. And this is place we go to beach. What name beach?
ใน Thon Beach
Thon Beach.
Yes.
Okay, and you can look link under my video because I send link for you. Maybe you stay Thailand now, stay Phuket. It's I forget tell. It's place in Phuket because I live in Phuket, and I have link. You can put link and link open Google Map, and you if you like this place you can come. Okay, and now we start go to this beach. Let's go. Guys, you can see this is beach very beautiful, but here not too much people because where we parking don't have place for parking. But this is beach very long, and here you see not dirty. I think because don't have place for parking and not easy for come, and good have people a little bit. And you see how beautiful this place. I think you like too. I wait your comment. What do you think? But very beautiful. Okay, we just guys, you just now walk with me, and I hope if you watch my video now and you feel same you with me here, right? I very hope about this. I hope you have feel and mood good when you walk with me. And I just can show you for what this is have beach, and I show you what really here really clean, not dirty. Hello, hello, hello. You see, you can see guys, not dirty. Ah, who is? Who are you? Hello, hello. And today hot, but today not hot day, but here hot near evening, now 5 p.m. and 20 minutes, but sun strong too, and I feel hot a little bit. Okay, we just show you. And have beautiful palm, beautiful trees here. Oh, you can see and big stone. And okay, you can see have big stone here too. And okay, here beach start. And I tell you, I'm not told what this beach very long. You can see very far, but here have beautiful stone too. Okay, we just go and look this stone. Where and okay, when interesting she go look. Ah, she find where she find place for sit comfortable. And people, guys, and now when I finish take video my camera, after you not stop watch my video, after you watch very beautiful picture and video, because after you can watch video from drone. Oh, big stone too. And guys, I think I stay here and wait sunset. I think today sunset will beautiful, because today have sun too much and have cloud. You can look have cloud a little bit, and cloud beautiful too. And I think today very beautiful sunset. Oh, you see stone. Beautiful too. Okay guys, maybe we go to walking a little bit, because you see it's beach very beautiful, and I told you what beach long, but okay, we can go and walk and you can look how beach and what beach, because I tell you, I put link my video and maybe you like and you come, and now I show you, maybe you don't like, I don't know. Okay, let's go. And you can see guys, it's have too much for sit, for relax, and you can see people not too much, but I like here where tree very beautiful. And you can see near up have house or maybe hotel, foreign people. Maybe people live here, I'm not sure. And you can see when I told you it's very long beach, very long. And we go beach down this place, but I see and here two people down, and I think have too much place where people can park in and come to beach. I see test this camera very good, because I am far near 20 meter, and I hope you can listen me. play. Tamai. And you learn take video. You learn take video?
ใช่
Ah? Okay, okay. And guys, I wait your comment. And now learn take video me. And I wait your comment, please. What you think? How she can or cannot? Beautiful. Nice video. And guys, you see who is, I know, I hope you know, I think you know who is. Oh, he not afraid. You see, he won't down. He won't go out, you see. He won't, you give him because he worried and he won't go out from here.
โอ้คุยด้วยคุยด้วย
Okay, guys. Today you will see what when we come this beach and have sun, have cloud, but cloud a little bit. And I told you what I wait sunset because I think today have very beautiful sunset. But you see video and you see what I don't know, guys, but cloud too much come already. I think it's not problem. I think today beautiful weather too, and I hope you have good mood, good feel too with me together. And who not follow me, you can follow me, and you next time I try again go to beach, go to sea, and take new video about sunset, new sunset. It's not last video, it today just try. And thank you very much who watch my video, thank you who write comment me, thank you who follow me, and thank you who take like for me. It's very helpful for my younger channel. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.